The rest of them boys are my cheaters.
Not me.
I'm not a girl like a cheater.
That's right. Just come over. Just come over. 7:30, man. Bible study. Yeah, black. Just come over. No. No. Them no bad. It doesn't be you, them no bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. This video is cold, lah. It's cold. You've never been drunk, though. You've never been drunk. So this basically happened a few weeks ago. Yeah, so I went to a wedding on Monday. The wedding was so beautiful. I love weddings, yo. If you're going to a wedding and you need someone to go with, just holla at me. Send me an email. I don't care if it's America or Jamaica. Just call me, man. I love weddings, yo. I love it. Anyway, so at this wedding, and I was on the dance floor, and this girl, so it was my friend on the dance floor, and this other girl was there, and she was acting as if she drunk, and my friend drunk, Coolio, it's not my body, so I'm joking. So actually, first of all, she was like, she was telling us that she couldn't drink because she was like the designated driver to go home. I'm like, cool, that's fine, I don't drink either. She's like, you don't drink at all? And I'm like, no. You've never been drunk? I'm like, no. If I tell you how, this girl, like, if I tell you how surprised she was, as if I killed the goats. I don't... and sacrifice it to, I don't know, George Washington. I don't understand. It surprised me how surprised she was that I had never got drunk before. It just doesn't make sense to me. I remember when I was younger and we were in high school, on Fridays, I remember this, I think maybe like third year, those times when PE was compulsory, third year or something, and double Friday was like PE. So at the end of PE, all I would be hearing is, are you guys going out, all stuff, and then you'd be like, are you getting drunk tonight? You getting drunk? I've just never understood. I don't understand the whole concept of, hey Charlie, let's go outside, let's go and get drunk tonight. I get it if you go outside and maybe you drink too much, you know, and then you end up being drunk. But to say that we're going to go out and get drunk, we're going to go out and we're going out, I can't even express myself because I don't understand it. So we're going out with the intention of getting drunk. Why? Actually, even that night, after the wedding, I got into town a bit late, feeling like a G. It was like midnight or something. I got to town like 20 past midnight, and oh yeah, let me tell you what happened. Oh, it was so scary, yo. Thank God I brought my flats, because if I was walking with heels in town, I would have been even more scared. I had to go get money from the cash machine because... What? Why did I need to get money from the cash machine? Because I needed to get a taxi. So I went to this first cash machine. I'm going to say like, you know what I'm talking about. The one opposite TGI Fridays. Yes, you know what that is. Opposite TGI Fridays, what's it called? Nationwide. I put my card into this thing. The machine does not work. I look around and this guy behind me, 20 past midnight. Oh, and he was like, and I'm like, homie. Oh, I didn't say homie. I said, the cash machine doesn't actually work. And he's like, oh really? Because I even tried the one up the hill and it doesn't work either. And I'm like, there's no cash machines working. Anyway, I walk forward and there's an RBS and there's actually a queue of like 13 people waiting for use the cash machine because that's the only one in town that was working. Anyway, moral of the story is, as I was walking through town, oh my goodness, people were just looking. They were drunk and they just really looking a fool. That's the thing. You're just looking a fool. You're falling over. You're being sick, and it's a bit dangerous, isn't it? I don't even understand. Like, I just don't understand the whole concept of going out to get drunk. Like, if your life is that tough and hard, like the weekend is only 2 days. The weekend is only 2 days. Like, even if you drink your sorrows away, you're gonna go back to work or whatever you're doing on Monday to Friday, and then now what? The really thing you should do is try and change what's going on the Monday to Friday, because those 2 days of the weekend, how's that? I just don't understand that, and I never even thought about it that much that I don't drink, and it made me think like, damn, is it that big of a deal that someone doesn't drink and someone has never been drunk in this society nowadays? Like, why is it such a big deal? I don't understand. But just because of that incident at the wedding, it just made me shocked how shocked she was, as if I was one alien from, you know, Mars bar world. Why don't I drink though? Why don't I drink? I don't even know why I don't drink. Oh, first of all, it's too many calories. You never see my whole body in my videos, right? Body of life. Do you see this blood? Potential. At least no, never let it go. Like, if I'm gonna have calories, I might as well have it in proper food, you know. Have something with substance, yeah. Number two, it's expensive. I'm a cheapskate, and I'm sure there's cheaper wines and stuff. Who cares? It's expensive. It's expensive. I don't want to spend my money on wine wastefully, you know. And number three, oh, as the Bible says in Ephesians 5, don't be drunk by wine. Let God's Spirit divine get intoxicated. Boom, with the Holy Spirit. This is actually a little plug for JES. So when I see you next, my homie, a check needs to be exchanged. Joking. Now check out that song. It's a really good song. It's called Intoxicated by JES featuring this girl called Deborah. Imagine what a coincidence. And another thing is, I think family influence. My parents don't drink, they don't smoke. It's really unlikely that I would be drinking and smoking unless I was really influenced by my friends in that way. And that's another thing I don't understand. Maybe I don't know what kind of world I grew up in, but whenever I watch all these TV shows and people are saying, oh yes, because their friends were drinking and smoking weed, or even just something like having sex and they feel pressure, how do you feel that much pressure from someone else's habits that will influence you to have sex or to smoke or to drink? I don't know, man. I've just never understood it. I just never understood it. Or maybe it's just the culture, like in this country or in this part of the world. I honestly, like I always say this, like if alcohol was just banned for 1 week, just 1 week, I want to see the difference on a Friday night and a Saturday night. Just banned for 1 week. And I feel like some people need alcohol to turn up. But clearly you guys know I can go from 0 to 100,050 by myself. I don't need to be prompted. I don't need the substance to make me do that. And no lie, sometimes it crosses my mind. I'm like, oh man, Deborah, you're probably missing out. Like, you know, people are going out drinking, they're going out clubbing. But then I think about it really, and I'm like, what is my goals in life, and how is clubbing and drinking, how does that add as an asset to my life? It doesn't. And it may be seem fun. Oh yeah, we just do it for fun. But that's not how I like to have fun. It doesn't have fun for me. So yeah, sometimes it does cross my mind. I'm like, oh my days, look. And I've seen some people, and I'm not saying it's the general consensus, but I've seen even some friends of mine, they've gone to the whole club and drinking lifestyle. The end result is not very pretty, you know. It's not very accommodating to my lifestyle. It really never leads to anywhere, to be honest. It doesn't. I don't know anyone who, yeah. That's all. I can't say again. What can I say? And that's another thing. I always have arguments with people about this, is clubbing. I love to dance. Homie, let me know. You can see I love to dance. So honestly, if people went to clubs with the intention of really just going to dance, oh my goodness, I'll be the first one there. Trust me, but I don't feel like 90% of people that go to clubs, I don't feel that they go there just to dance and have fun. Some people go there to drown their sorrows, or you know, see if they can get themselves some punani. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, they want to get themselves some punani. Go all night to get lucky. I can't tonight get lucky. Show off some new outfit. Show off some skin. Get some male attention. Get some female attention. What was the end result of that? What's the end result of that? I don't know, to be honest with you. Like, I can't even, like, there's nothing I can say. I just need for you guys to understand me, you know, like, but honestly, people really went to clubs with the intention of, hey, I'm actually going there just to have a dance and have a good time. And I'm sure people do it. I hear the stories like, yeah, when I go with my friends, we dance together, cool. But other people's motives, and even just the environment alone, is so rubbish. Like one time, it wasn't even a club, it was Ghana Independence something. And I went with my friend. Oh my goodness. Like, it just confirmed the reason why I don't even go to those places. It's the environment. Yeah, the music was bumping. Some people were genuinely dancing. But then there's one guy just sitting at the corner, literally behind me. Like, he kept touching my arm. Oh, like, how many times do you have to, like, tell someone? But then you're in that environment, so that's what you suspect. Me, I have something I call a private party. I have it in my house, you know, once in a while, sometimes in the kitchen. So I just put my earphones in or put my speakers, I love these things, on blast, and I just have a good time and I have a dance, and it's, you know, like a little weenie workout. And that's what I love to dance, so I can do that. But the environment of the club, it doesn't, oh no, I can't do it. I have arguments with people all the time, like, nah, but we go there to have fun. I'm like, how have you done? More than half have you done. You go there for other motives apart from just going to dance and having a good time. That's what I believe anyway. What do you think? Yeah, that's it really. It just her reaction made me a bit like, yo, it made me think about it. And it's not that deep. It's not that deep if you don't drink, if you've not been drunk. Don't make it seem like a big deal, because it isn't. It shouldn't even cross your mind. It's not that deep. Not for me anyway. And it shouldn't be for you if that's not what you want to do. Okay, brother? Okay, sister? Have a good day. I hope you guys read your Bible and prayed, because I didn't, but hopefully you did it for me. Alright. Bye, guys.